Yeah. All right, don't ask me why the microwave and air fryer is set up in this chair like this. I think the official answer is we're remodeling the kitchen, but the real answer is I have children. All right, today, microwave pork rinds. Saw this in the grocery store, had to do it. If you've ever had freshly cooked pork rinds, you know it's nothing like the bag version out the gas station. All right, so look, I read the instructions. We'll open the bag. It says unfold, and it says shake to like distribute the pork rinds. All right, so I think that's it. All right, so now we want to just put them in the microwave for 1 to 2 minutes. It says as soon as the bag is done expanding, they're done. So let's do that. Yeah, here we go. Ooh. Okay, I think they're ready. All right. I've been letting the bag cool off. They still crackling and popping. See what it do, man. Grab here to open. Then you can read, but you can't really follow directions. Okay, I was supposed to grab it in the middle. All right, they look pretty cool. See if we can get a glimpse. Not bad. Seasoning out that bag. Look at that. It's not bad, all right? It's not bad looking. Now let's give it a taste. They still popping, you heard it? Yeah, man. All right, better than the ones. Better than the ones you can get in the bag at the gas station. Yeah, man. All right. So I have not been paid to endorse, but there you go. Lowry's bacon curl microwave pork rinds. I'm about to eat these. I'll see y'all later. Delicious. Oh Lord, they're good for real. Yeah, all right. Bye, y'all.